Number 1 here, you're going to simplify by adding the polynomials. Write the answer in standard form. When we add the polynomial, we're going to add it by the degree. Okay, so the first way here is we see that there is a 4x squared here, and then we have the x squared here. That is going to be added. Okay, do you see the add symbol right there? That's going to be how the first one should look like. Okay, then we grab the second degree. The negative 2x, that's going to be added to the first degree here. And then the last degree, the 8 is going to be added with the minus 2. Okay, so there you go. That's how you add them. It's going to be by degree. This is degree 2, degree 1, and this is degree 0. Okay, all right, 4x squared plus x squared, this becomes 5x squared. Negative 2x plus 3x is plus 1x. 8 minus 6, it is a plus 6. There you go. Next one here, let's do the same thing. We combine them by putting like terms. So 4x squared plus 2x squared. Then we have the negative 2x. That's going to be added with the 2x here. Then we have the 8. It's going to be added with the minus 5 or the negative 5. All right, and notice this is going to be by degree. This is degree 2, degree 1, degree 0. 4x squared plus 2x squared, that becomes 6x squared. Look, it remains degree 2. Degree 1, negative 2x plus 2x, it becomes 0x. And then 8 minus 5, which is 3. Okay, no one really writes the 0x, so the final answer would just look like this. Okay, that would be the complete answer. Let's do number or C now. Okay, here let's group it by terms. So we have the 5x, then we have an x squared, and we're going to add those terms. Then you have the minus x plus x, then we have the plus 5 and the minus 5. All right, this should be categorized by its degree. This is degree 2, degree 1, degree 0. 5x squared plus x squared, 6x squared. Negative x plus x, that is plus 0x. 5 minus 5 is plus 0x. So the final answer is just, just 0. Okay, the final answer is just 6x squared. Letter D. Let's group it by terms. Okay. 3x squared. We're going to add this to x squared. Then you have minus 3x. You're going to add 3x. Then you have a plus 4 or just a 4. And that is going to be with negative 6. Now you want to make sure they're in the same degree. So this is degree 2, like terms. Degree 1, like terms. And this is degree 0. Okay. 3x squared plus x squared becomes 4x squared. Minus 3x plus 3x, that just becomes 0x. 4 minus 6 is minus 2. The final answer would just be 4x squared minus 2. And there you go. That is how you simplify the polynomial by adding.